Hey girl, are your healthy habits all over the place or non-existent? Do you wish you could find true food freedom, move your body for joy, and really just talk a little nicer to yourself? If you have tried to habit hack your health, but the strategies you've tried just haven't worked for you in your busy lifestyle, then this podcast is for you. Hey, I'm Emily Nichols, habit and fitness coach, behavior change specialist, and Taco Tuesday enthusiast. Hey, I am here to tell you there is an easier way than what we've been taught about our health and our habits. How do I know? Well, because I've transformed my own life through habit hacking, and now my family gets the best of me, and I now help my clients do the same. I'm now going to teach you how to create healthy habits in less time, guilt-free for all seasons of your life. It's not your fault your habits haven't worked, my friend. We just have to do them differently. So, are you ready to feel empowered and transform your habits and life? Then let's do this. Hey gang, welcome to a bonus episode of Habit Hack Your Health. I have had so much fun with you all in the Healthy Habit Reset live this past week. Gang, you can grab this free masterclass at any time. I do it live every quarter with you all to really help you reset your habits and answer your questions in real time. But this is going to teach you my 5-step habit change method to help you pivot your habits for any season of life that you are in. Like I said, it's always linked in the show notes. If you're not sure where to start with habit strategy, this is where you start, my friend. But I wanted to come on today and let you all know, if you haven't been able to join us this past week in the Healthy Habit Reset Live, that I have launched something that you have all been asking for. I've kind of alluded to it on the podcast before over the past few weeks, especially talking about our tracking series on Habit Hack Thursday the past few weeks. You can go grab the ultimate habit tracker now in the Habit Hack shop. So excited. So this is a digital habit tracker. It is via Google Sheets. You can also download it via Excel if that's more your jam. You can use it on your phone if you're using like the Google Sheets app to take your habit tracking on the go. So this is one of the steps we talk about in the 5-step habit change method. We dig super deep into tracking our habit loops in my signature program, my Healthy Habits Accelerator. But friends, you've all been asking for this. We all learn in different modalities, right? Some people want to watch, some people want to listen, some people want to read. The same is with tracking. Some people want pen to paper, which is what I have had in the shop so far. It's just downloads that you can print out and use, and I think there is beauty in that. But I have personally been using this new Ultimate Habit Tracker, and I am freaking obsessed. Now, if you are one of our habit hackers inside of the accelerator, you all are getting a very special habit tracker that is like next level. It's like the ultimate, like crazy good habit tracker that's based around the habit hacking system I teach in the accelerator. So gang, you can grab the Healthy Habits Accelerator bundle or grab just one of the little mini accelerators, the mindset, movement, or food freedom one if you need to dig deep into just one of those fundamental needs right now in the show notes. But let me tell you how this habit tracker is different. You can go on anywhere and like Google a habit tracker and download it like for Excel or Google Sheets and use it. But you're not going to find one like this because it focuses on atomic habits for women. The strategies that I teach and help you habit hack your health, because women have to do habits differently. We have to rethink about health in a different way, and this habit tracker will help you do it. It's not just about like checking boxes. It's about being very intentional, using the methods that we teach inside of the reset to create habits that make sense for your health, that are that don't take a lot of time, that are very intentional to creating who you want to be, your core values, your habit identity. And we really dig deep into only those 3 areas that I always talk about: mindset, movement, and food freedom habits. And I also have a section for miscellaneous habits. You'll see though, I've created it where you can't list like 20,000 habits at once, okay? Because as you know, if you've been listening for a while or if you've listened to the private podcast, Atomic Habits for Women, it's like my secret podcast where I get up my soapbox and talk even deeper about why women have to do habits differently. We try to do it all. right? We have that all or nothing mentality, and that just doesn't work for us. So this is going to make it very simple for you to be able to track and see your progress over time. We're also going to have some additional habit hacks in there. Like we'll see, you'll be able to always insert what a habit loop is for each habit. Love that. I love me some habit loops. Gosh, there's over 60 in the accelerator bundle, and I had so much fun putting those together for you. I love it. There's a quarterly check-in tab where you are able to step back and just check in and say, okay, how are things going? What's working? What's not? What do I want to do this next season of life that I am going into? And there's really habit identity based goals. It's not just like lose weight. It's like, I want to be patient. I want to be present. What habits are going to help me get there? And it all starts with proactively taking care of your health via the habit hacks we talk here in the show and in the habit tracker. So bonus, it's super customizable. You can change up the colors, the vibe if you want to. It comes with the Healthy Habit Reset, so you are able to learn the method or refer back to it at any time. And there's bonus podcast episodes embedded within the spreadsheet. Okay. So if you're like me and maybe you download stuff or like purchase something like a habit tracker and then you don't use it because you're downloading all the things, you need that extra accountability. Like, I got you. I have a few episodes embedded within the spreadsheet to help you learn how to make habit tracking an actual habit, okay? And you're not going to do this alone, okay? There is a video tutorial on how to use the habit tracker. You'll be getting email check-ins from me just to see how it's going, to get feedback, to see if there's anything you want to see or don't see on the tracker. This is not like a one-way conversation. This is always a conversation between me and you, our listeners, our clients, our habit hackers inside of our accelerator groups. So I'm so excited. I launched this because you all have been asking for it. Stay tuned over the next few months. Every month, there's going to be a new drop in the shop with more digital tracking options. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited for this. Like I said, if you are in our accelerator program already, you can grab it at any time. It's linked in the show notes. You are getting a brand new habit tracker that uses the habit hacking system that I teach inside of there. And friends, that will be available going forth for anyone else that enrolls in the accelerator bundle. So friends, go check out and get the ultimate habit tracker. It's linked in the show notes for you. I made a URL for it, but honestly, it's too long. And I know you're probably busy right now. So when you get home, click on the link in the show notes, get your habit tracker, and get to habit hacking for sustainable results. Stop merely surviving and get to thriving. Habit tracking is where it's at. If you want to further connect with me, let me know how the habit tracker is going. Make sure to connect with me on Instagram at EmilyNichols22 or just send me an email and let me know how it's going. I'm so pumped. Everyone that was doing the reset got early access to it, and I'm excited to hear all of their feedback so far as well. Like, this is next level habit hacking and a new tool to help you succeed with your healthy habits. I'm so excited. Go to the link in the show notes and get the ultimate habit tracker. I'll see you all next week. Hey girl, real quick before you go, did you know I have a secret podcast where I talk all about why most habit strategies don't work for us women? Spoiler alert, it's not our fault. Visit bit.ly/atomic habits for women. It's linked in the show notes to access my secret podcast series and have your biggest aha moment about why and how women have to do habits differently. And if you love the podcast, the number one way you can thank me is to leave a rating and review in iTunes. That way more mamas can find the show. Love and appreciate you, friend. We'll see you next time.